Hey everybody, Nate Lee here, and I'm going to show you a lick that every bluegrass mandolin player needs to know. So if you heart mandolin, then keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright, here's how to play the lick. It's really simple. You can use this as an ending lick, you can begin songs this way, you can put it in the middle of your solos. This is very, very versatile and it's not that hard to do. So here we go. The lick sounds like this. And it's a simple double stop lick based on the G chord. So anytime a G chord is happening, you can use this lick. So here's how to play it. You put your first finger on the second fret of the A string, and then your second finger on the third fret of the E string. And then you play those two notes together. Now I'm using this technique up above the fingerboard, and if you want to learn how to do that, my recent video about the coolest tremolo tone walks you through that, and I will get Hazel to put a link somewhere around here for you for that. Alright, so you can play up here over the frets if you want, or you can play back here if you normally play there. Anywhere you want to play is totally fine. Alright, so now for your next double stop. We're going to move our fingers up. Index finger now goes to the third fret of the A string. Don't forget to bring your thumb with you. Most people leave it behind when they move up the neck, so bring it with you. You're going to need it. So index finger, third fret of the A. And then middle finger. Actually, I like to use ring most of the time. You can use middle, but ring is actually my favorite. So we're going to go with ring. Ring on 5 of the E. Now we take that and we just move it up 1 fret. Remember, this way is up, that way is down. So we go up to 4 and 6. Just like that. And then finally, we move it up again. 1 more fret to 5 and 7. Still using the same fingers. And that's the lick. So you can use it for slow stuff, for fast stuff. You can even make up little patterns. So here I'm just playing the A string first, then the E string. Leaving both fingers down when doing this, but playing the A string first, then the E. You can go back down even, go back the same way you came. So if you're at 5 and 7, then you go down to 4 and 6, 3 and 5, and then 2 and 3. All right, now I'll show you what this looks like up close. So that's how you play the lick. It's a lot of fun. It's one of my favorite things to do. It's one of the first cool licks I ever learned, and it's a nice, just snappy, classy little bluegrass mandolin lick that you can throw in pretty easily into all kinds of stuff. It's also in a famous Beatles song. So if you know which one I'm playing, drop it in the comments. Let's see who is the most versatile musician out there, or at least the biggest Beatles fan. Is it you? Alright, so let me know if there's other topics you'd like me to cover. I will show you one more little pattern to do here that I think is kind of fun in just a second. But first, make sure to go and sign up for Be a Mandolin Kickoff Hero. We had the first session Monday and it was all recorded, so once you sign up, I will send you that video from the first session, and then you can go live to the second and third sessions. Keep in mind, I am manually sending out the session video, so if you sign up at like 2 a.m. or something, I may not see it. Or I might. I'm a nighttime practicer. But if you do sign up, just keep that in mind. If it's in the middle of the night, I may not get it to you, or if I'm in a private lesson. So once I see it, I will send it to you. But make sure to go ahead and sign up. The link is down below. We had a lot of fun. We learned to use taters correctly. And the Gerald Jones all-purpose kickoff. And we're going to do a whole bunch of other cool stuff as well. So make sure to go sign up for that. And now, as promised, this is a Gerald Jones thing, actually. And it's kind of a faux cross-picking. And I may do this as its own video at some point. Only some of you are going to have watched this far. I can see the stats. And only some of you watch the whole videos. Thanks for doing that. I really appreciate you watching them. because I take the time to make them, and, you know, I make them so you can watch them. So if you watch this far, let me know down in the comments. I know a couple of you, Jim watches all the way through, I think, every time. Thank you, Jim. Also, I think it's my move in that chess game. So see you there shortly. All right, so here's how to play it. We're going to play downstroke. We're going to do the first double stop here. That's 2 on the A and 3 on the E. We're going to play downstroke on the A string, upstroke on the E string, and then upstroke on the A string. Like that. Now we go to the next double stop, 3 and 5, and do the same pattern, down on the A, up on the E, up on the A. Then we go up to frets 4 and 6, down on the A, up on the E, up on the A. And now finally, we get to 5 and 7, and we just play a normal double stop here. All right, I'll show you up close what that looks like as well. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Click that notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. And if you're watching on Facebook, like and all that kind of stuff too. All right, bye, everybody.